Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you, children? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, let's start our topic. Take out your English grammar books. Page number 34. Unit 7. Chapter name is At the Fair. ओके लास्ट क्लास में हमने इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन की थी, ठीक है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू फर्दर एक्सरसाइजेस. ओके, नाउ रीड द टेक्स्ट अगेन, सर्कल दीज वर्ड्स. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी जस्ट हैव टू रीड द टेक्स्ट एंड सर्कल दीज वर्ड्स. ओके, what we have to do, we have to search these words from this text. Gave, went, saw, bought, spent, ate and drank. Now I've already circled these words: gave, went, saw, spent, ate, bought, drank, and they are repeated words. No matter how many times it's coming, you have to circle it again and again, whether it's 2 times coming or 3 times. Okay, now come to the next exercise. Match the present and past forms. Match the present and past forms. These are the present forms and these are the past form. What we have to do, we just have to match these words. Okay, just like here is an example: give, and what is the past form of give? Gave. Go, went. See, saw. Buy, bought. Spend, spent. Eat, ate. Drink, drank. Is that clear to you all? Now come on to the next page, page number 35. Now, exercise E. Complete the sentences with the past forms of the verbs. Okay, now I dash go to the fair yesterday. Was it fun? Now what they are asking for? They are asking for the past form, and the bracket and the words in the bracket help us. Okay, go का past form क्या होता है? Went. Yes, it was. I dash have a great time. There was a big Ferris wheel. Have का past form? Had. Oh, the Ferris wheel is my favorite. It was great. I dash see the whole town from the top. See का past form? Saw. Now move on to the next page, page number 36. Okay, now exercise H. Read and circle the irregular verbs. Okay class, now what are irregular verbs? We all know very well when we add ed in any word, just like here's a look. When we add ed in it, it becomes past form of look. But those are regular verbs. But when we have to change the whole word or spelling of something or some like that, they are called irregular verbs. Just like here, have. What is the past form of have? Had. See, saw. Go, went. Buy, bought. Say, said. Give, gave. Okay, so here we have to change the word. So these are the irregular verbs. We just have to circle it. Now come on to the next exercise. Write the missing verbs. Now what we have to do, we just have to write the missing verbs. Like if there is a present form written here, we have to write the past form, and the past form written here, we have to write the present form. Went, here is written went, so we have to write the present form, go. Now here we have a present form, buy. We are going to write the past form, bought. Have, had. Now here we have past form here, saw, and see is the present form. Eat, this is the present form, and here we have to write the past form, ate. Say, said. Now come on to the next exercise, exercise J. Change the verbs to make these sentences negative. What we have to do, Be careful, change the verbs to make these sentences negative. Now, what are negative sentences? When we add did not in any sentence, it becomes negative. Okay, just like here, Lily and Max went to the fair. Lily and Max did not go to the fair. When we add did not, it becomes present form. Okay, we'll add this verb to the blank. Didn't go to the fair. Max ate a pizza. Max did not eat a pizza. ठीक है, क्योंकि here we are using did and this is the past form. Lily and Max drank sodas. Lily and Max did not drink sodas. Max saw the merry-go-round. Max did not see the merry-go-round. Lily bought a balloon. Lily did not buy a balloon. Now come on to the next exercise, exercise K. What happened next? Complete the sentences to finish the story. Use the verbs in parentheses. Okay now. Lily dash look in her pocket. Lily looked. We add ed. Okay, this is the past form of look. She dash have $1 left. She dash have $1 left. Have का past form had. She dash not have $3 for a pretty balloon. Lily was sad. Not have की past form did not have. Okay. Now come on Max, let's go home. She dash say said. Okay, say की past form said. But Max dash not come. Not come की past form did not come. Okay. Now wait, I have my allowance, said Max. He dash give $2 to her. Give की past form gave. Lily dash smile. Smile की past form smiled. Thank you Max. She dash say. Lily dash buy a balloon. Buy की past form bought. And they dash go home happy. Go की past form went. Okay students, so I hope you all have understood the concept. So we'll meet on Monday inshallah with another video. So till then, take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.